You grab that cup for me?
Yep.
It's day 2. Project 7 Deuce. Don't. Finna get this thing unwrapped and hop right back on it. What's up, 803 WHIPGAMEz? Y'all see it, man. We out bright and early on day 2 of Project 72 Dump. Yesterday we got the header bolts out on one side, got that header out. We about to get this other header bolt out on the other side, get it out. The gaskets have been blew through, so we're gonna get some new gaskets on. We got the window felts, the outer window felts on this little side window and the passenger side window. Got the weather stripping all the way around it on the correct way, tucked. Gonna do that on the other side as well. Gonna get this transmission drain so we can get the new pan on. Man, y'all wait around for it. Y'all see it, man. I told y'all, man. We had a new big announcement, which is we will be launching 803 Whips and Restoration. So, you know, if you need your car built, holla at us, man. And y'all reach out to me if y'all need anything small or big in the Midlands area, in the Carolina area. Y'all tap in with me. Man, we working. We'll be back in a minute. Yeah, for y'all say, where's your tools? You doing it the hard way. This is a tight spot for these boats, so gotta do it the old-fashioned way. This damn boat in a tight spot. There we go. One head off. We're working on this one. We're about to wrap it up. It's starting to rain a little bit. It's supposed to rain till 10 o'clock. So we're gonna wrap things up till after this rain blow over. Sun's supposed to come back out for the rest of the day. We did, as you see, we got the headers loose. This one's so tight right in here, we had to unloosen it from the flange down there. Also got this side out. I just got this side out. Got the gaskets out. We do gotta get some new gaskets. Both, this is the one from the passenger side, was blew out here. Which these two bolts weren't even tight. I literally took them out with my fingers. So we're gonna get new header gaskets in. See if that helps with this backfiring we've been getting. If not, we're gonna check the plug wires, make sure they're in the right spots. Check the plugs as well. This distributor is turned to the max, so we're gonna have to address that issue. We also got the outer window felts on for the quarter window and the driver window. I gotta look in his trunk and see if I see the this quarter window felt here. I'll show y'all on the other side. They got one on the other side, so I'm gonna have to look through the car here, which I'm gonna tell them to get a new one. Cause as you see the seal, there's not gonna give you what you want. Still gonna, we don't want no water getting up in here. But we definitely are sealed up. I don't got the window all the way up right now because it's pushing back behind the seal and it's getting stuck when you try to open the door. So I just got it kind of down a little bit. But we got all the weather stripping on the door, nice and tight, how it should be. So yeah, we using a blanket for now, man. I'm new to this, but definitely about to get everything we need. Man, this is our progress, man. We getting it. We definitely done stepped out on faith, you know, into a new lane. I ain't even gonna say new, cause I learned a lot with the Cutlass. And y'all know, man, I keep an old school too. So man, y'all wait around for it, man. We about to get this thing right back up till this rain blow over.
Y'all said, man, we had to cut the day short for a little bit. It's supposed to rain till 10 o'clock. After 10, it's gonna clear up, but we got this thing wrapped back up. You know, we try to keep it wrapped up for our customers due to us being outside right now. Shop is on the way. But we'll be back out later for some more crazy content, man. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be back in a minute.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Making way. Got the wires hid up under there. Got them wrapped. I'm just using the stuff he already had. We're gonna get that wrapped and get it zip tied up in there where it's good and hid. Get them new header gaskets on. Gotta wait on my partner to get here, help me out with them header gaskets. So y'all see it, man. We're making way. We're making way. We're definitely making way. Getting them buttoned up. We about to get these pieces on. I gotta go through all the parts and find the little back pieces that screw on the back. We're gonna get all these wires here for them. Got all of them wrapped in here. I'll wait around for it. Yo, what? I'm feeling like Phoenix Fab up under here.
I tell you.
What in the Ricky Bobby do we have going on here? We cannot let you leave out like that.
Ricky,
Is that a paper clip? Bud, is that a paper clip?
You talking about holding to that transmission?
Yes.
I think so.
Yo.
I had to hook that up. It was not even hooked up.
Yo, we gotta get the right piece for that.
It's a lot stronger than that little piece.
What would that piece be called? Transmission link? Cable link?
No, I don't know what that is. It's going. Let me come under, kind of lead you on the other side.
That's your transmission cable link.
It ain't no way, because it wasn't hooked up when I got underneath.
No, it ain't. It ain't.
It's going to something like a passing gear.
What's this right here that's moving?
Hold on. That's your shifter link.
That's what that is.
What?
Yes.
Well, that's going to the column. That's going to
This
the column.
this right here, this long.
Hold on.
Look, come look.
Go ahead. I'll sit in here now. Okay. Let me put my foot on the brake.
Yep. Transmission link. I knew I wasn't tripping. Hey man, I told y'all, man, holla at me. 803 Whips and Restoration. I know a little something. That's a transmission link with a paper clip on it. We got to get them right. We'll be back in a minute. I said, man. New header gaskets on. All the bolts on, tightened. Let's get it fired up, see. You grab that cup for me?
Yep.
Y'all see it, man. Just need to idle it up, tune, mess with this carburetor. Not the carburetor, mess with the distributor a little bit. But the popping has stopped, man. Y'all wait around for it, we working. Working. She was shutting off when he bought it to us. She ain't shutting off no more.